This is my lemon chicken. It's got an Asian flair to it. It's made with lemon curd, and going to serve that on some caulirice. Virtually no carbs at all. Okay, it's time for lemon chicken, and the recipe for my lemon chicken is below in the comments section. But we made some lemon curd. The recipe for this is below in the comments. We made this last week, and we're going to take part of this and going to use it for our lemon chicken. So I've got a stainless bowl, and I've got 2 egg whites. I'll put them in. A little bit of cracked pepper and some salt. And I'm going with the Carbalose flour. Just a 1/4 cup. There's virtually no carbs in this dinner at all. I'm cooking in my large wok with a butane burner. That's for emergencies when we don't have power. So I'll get some heat into that. I'm going to whisk this up. If it gets too thick, just add a little bit of water in there. Now my oil of choice is going to be refined coconut oil. It's got a really nice burn point on it. I'm just going to put, looks like probably a couple of tablespoons in there. I'm going with boneless, skinless chicken breast. I cut it into bite-sized pieces. I'm just going to throw a bunch of those into the batter. And as you can see, I've got it in a colander, dripping. And you can see the juices that came out. So I'll throw a few of those in with a pigtail. And we're going to fry in batches. Swirl that oil around. It's good and hot. This won't take long at all. Adjust my flame. We're going to cook that until the juices run clear. It's not going to take long for that to cook. I'll just reserve them on a plate, just like that. I'll put a little bit more oil in. And I'll just repeat this process until everything's cooked. There you go, all done. What I'm going to do now is I've got like a little bit of oil in the bottom. I'm just going to soak that up. And I've got a little bit of battered bouillon in a 1/4 cup of water. Just going to bring that up to temperature. Kind of deglazing here a little bit, getting some of the little crunchy bits. Now we're going to scoop in some of our lemon curd. And I'm going to say, I'm not going to measure this, it's whatever you want. We're going to be serving this on some caulirice and some broccoli. So I'm going to go with probably about 4 scoops of this. We're just going to put some heat into that. I'm going to put the chicken in now. That on the outside is really going to help thicken this too. I'm going to garnish with parsley, but you could do some green onion. So I like that. That looks good to me. There you go. That was really easy. That's my lemon chicken with the lemon curd. I'm going to serve that on some caulirice, a little bit of broccoli. Virtually no carbs at all in that. Took maybe 5 minutes to make. Thanks for watching.